What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today is a little quick tutorial on how to add annotations to your videos. So let's jump right into it, shall we? You're gonna come up to your top right corner icon and click on that. Come on down to Creator Studio. When you get to this screen, you're gonna pick the video you want to add the annotations to. Let's pick this first one. Come right here up to the top, end screen and annotations. That's what you want. YouTube has templates you can use. I personally I didn't use them. I just used what they had right here. So your screen should look like something like this. They use the last 20 seconds of your video and the elements will pop up. So normally I have 3 of them. The subscribe button, which is right here, best reviewer, and I usually have my most recent upload. Hit create and move it around. So now you got 3. You can add a channel if you're trying to promote another channel. For the URL in here, the username, custom message. I also can use the link, which I'm not enabled to because I don't have an approved website. So that's pretty much it. I mean, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. If this video helped you out in any way, just do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. I'm new to YouTube, so I'm learning just as you are. I figured this could help some of you. Also, you can hit this preview button if you want to preview it before you hit save. And that's it, guys. Thank you and God bless.